This is a Rollei 35 SE. It uses a 5.6 volts Rollei PX27 battery, which is not being made anymore, unfortunately. One alternative is the 6 volts PX27A battery, but the PX27A is not too easy to find either, and it's a little bit expensive. So I made this battery adapter for this camera so that you can use 4 pieces of LR44 or SR44 for this camera. The SR44 is slightly better because its voltage is more stable than that of the LR44. The voltage of this button cell is 1.5, so in total you will get 6 volts, which is slightly higher than what this camera needs. But normally it does not matter. It works fine. More ideally, you should use 4 pieces of 675 hearing aid battery. Each of these is 1.4 volts. So in total you will get approximately 5.6 volts, which is exactly what this camera needs. In addition, I combined this battery adapter with a cold shoe mount, so you can use another accessory with this camera, such as a rangefinder that can help you estimate distances. In conclusion, there are 2 main advantages to this battery adapter. First of all, it allows you to use the inexpensive and easily accessible button cells. Secondly, when using the hearing aid battery, you will be able to get the voltage that exactly meets the requirement of this camera, so that the light metering will be more accurate.